Hey, Nathan here. Just a quick announcement video that I've uploaded a new tutorial to my new channel, the tutorial centric channel, and this is video game mathematics, where we'll discuss Bezier curves. And this is just a quick video, 10-minute video. Took quite a bit of recordings. It's the new 2018 production standards that I've wanted to implement in my videos, so everything was done in post. I did drawing and writing down on paper as I was discussing, but in post I edited everything to be text based and vector based using After Effects. Instead of having my drawing on the screen, it's now, straight lines, and everything looks pristine, doing everything through post processing after the video is done. So I've uploaded that to my new channel. This will be on the existing channel, so those of you that are subscribed to my existing channel will see this. And this is just an announcement letting you know that a new video is posted. Go ahead and subscribe to my new channel. That's where all my new tutorials will be posting from here on out. If you haven't checked my announcement video, I think it was 2 announcement videos ago where I explained this. The reason why I split my channel into 2 was because I want to do a lot more recordings on my gameplay footage. As I'm playing a game, I like to record it, give something extra to upload, not just tutorials. And some people might not like that. Some people might not like the tutorials, but maybe new people will enjoy my Let's Play videos and want to watch that. So instead of bogging down the channel between a mix of content, I decided to split it up. One channel will be tutorial centric. Those of you that just want tutorials, not gameplay footage or gameplay commentary and that kind of thing, will not get distracted or see all these extra videos that you don't even care about. So that's the reason why I split it up into a tutorial-centric channel. And the same thing with the Let's Play channel. If you don't care about any of my tutorials, and you like my gameplay commentary, or just want to help me out with that, you can do that. And of course, if you like both, you can subscribe to both. So it's kind of, I think it keeps things much more organized. I'm very big on organization, and just having one channel doing all that at the same time just feels like it's not really centralized. Even though I put everything into playlists, it can sometimes get bogged down a little bit. So who knows, this might not work out too well, and it's another thing I'm trying out, and if it doesn't work too well, I'll go back to my other channel. But if it does work well, and hopefully it does, I think it'll be better in the long run. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just want to give you a brief update. I'll skim through it a little bit so you can see it's a basic effects, nothing too crazy, and we just discussed the mathematics behind Bezier curves. Alright, I hope to see you next time for another video or a gameplay announcement video. Thanks.